We are off to Key Largo today. We just hired a car for the day. This will be our baby. That's cost. What is that? Yeah, I like that. We just got home from our drive. It was a pretty uneventful day. We just stayed in the car the whole time and went for a drive down to Key West. We were supposed to go for a swim and I am a bit burnt. Well, it was so blown out. So we just had lunch and drove and looked at the water. Brad's just gone to get our key. Our keys keep failing on our end. But I'm about to go in and make ramen while Brad drops the car back. And then I'm going to hop into bed and watch true crime. By tomorrow morning I'm going to have my period. I can feel my body I get real bad chronic pain, as everyone knows. So whenever I get my period, I feel like shit. So it's coming. It's definitely coming. We just went to the doctors and now we're at Wynwood, which is like the art center of Miami. So we're going to do a little walk through and have a look at everything. Very artsy, yuppie, hipsters, all of the above. The streets are a bit dodgy, but it's okay. Our carer, Noella, my carer, not Brad's carer, she dropped us off and gave us a tour and stuff. I think we're going to end up being good friends with her. She seems like a really cool gal. We just found a pizza place.
It's a bit oily, but then I just drifted off.
Yeah.
Place over there.
That was wet.
Place over there, Miami Auto Art, so I just want to see what that is.
Okay. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Oh, sorry.
That one's a cool one.
Oh, it's a crocodile.
Was it a crocodile or an alligator?
Good question.
I don't know what I did.
Guess how much that ice cream dude is? I'm going to say $3,000. How much?
23.
That's the most expensive. That's more expensive than the ice cream outside, which is.
Well, let's have a look at that.
Oh, look at that. The hog with the lady on the nose. We're not in the art bracket people kind of yet. Maybe one day we'll be going, oh, that's only 23 crayons. But that is not today. I just got excited because I got 2 pizza slices for $10, so. I like them.
Alright, we're going to find the dearest one.
Okay. Alright. This is 90. SpongeBob. That's pretty cool.
What?
The meaning of that.
The card.
Made in dystopia.
Yeah.
And then it has Russia and China. But it has US on #1. You know when you've been at an art gallery museum for like a few hours and then you start to not pay attention? So we're going to go at a different time. I've been looking for the marketplace, which is where all the different food is, but somehow we're like in a festival. We're too old to be taking ecstasy and dancing at a rave. Actually, I'm not. That sounds like fun.
Excuse me.
What is happening here?
Yes, we
Oh,
would.
this whole event is 3 points. It's like an EDC festival.
What?
It's like a music festival.
Oh, we're looking for the marketplace.
You keep going down this road, and you take a right, you'll see the entrance to it. It's super big. You can't
and this
all
is
the way
what
down
festival
and
is
right.
this?
It's 3 points.
Okay, great. Thank you so much. Just got Red Bulls from those girls. That is like a trance music festival. Trance, like
Electronic dance.
ecstasy, trance, ecstasy. It's for ecstasy. So I thought they were like, this is a big thing for the marketplace, but no, makes sense. We made it. That's shit. There's nothing open, and it's really like quiet and small.
I just want to sit down for a sec.
Over here?
Yeah.
Brad just rested his legs. I forget that he has legs and it's often to walk.
Too.
Yeah.
Work.
Yeah. Mine just hurt without walking.
That's right. Yours is a different.
When he needs to sit down, I know we've been far. We nearly bought tickets to the festival, but then we realised we don't know anyone going.
And it's $200.
It's $200 a ticket. We know Skrillex and that's it. Bone Thugs are supposed to be playing and then Bone Thugs is out, so that's the only reason I'll go. Brad would love to see Bone Thugs too.
Let's go.
We ate them. I'm going to say this, but you can't tell anyone. Tried to pee in the street before. There's no bathroom, but we just found a bathroom. So I did pee in the street like a lady. We just checked in and we are off to Cancun. We have a lot of stuff again. We tried to cut it down, but we still have a lot. Your attention, please. Really easy flight. They were really helpful too. We've had really good luck getting here and to America. Like nothing go wrong.
Nothing's gone wrong. Cancun.
The Bali of America.
Spring break time.
Yeah.
My name is Mario. I'm gonna be your driver.
Perfect.
It's your first time?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
Welcome.
Thanks.
Alison's fiending for a massage. She's been wanting a massage for a few days now.
Yeah.
And now she's like, now she's fiending.
Very swanky. Luckily brought my chair. This is pretty swanky. All right, should we go get something to eat?
Yes, please.
Or you can eat. Or you speak.
It's not all you can eat. Well, it is because it's free.
Yeah.
True.
I don't know if we'll get sick of this ever. No. Onshore waves look really jumpy. The water does look amazingly blue.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Why is it like that? That's 2 seconds.
Beauty.
Today we are leaving our resort in Cancun. We're getting picked up by Wheel the World's wheelchair accessible van, which is pretty cool. And then we drive 3 hours to a Mayan temple, Chichen Itza. And then we go to a sinkhole, which they said isn't accessible, but I'm going to see how accessible they mean. They probably mean really non-accessible, but. And then we drive 3 hours home. So we do a 12-hour day today, and it's about 6 hours of driving. So we've packed as many snacks as we can. We've packed my cushion for the van too, so I can sit down. And I've packed heaps of meds because I felt really sick yesterday. Yeah, so that's the plan. And it's going to be really fun.
Strapped.
Strapped in and ready to go. We are an hour into our trip, are we?
Yeah. Cookies, croissant, profiteroles.
Private cookie. Thank you. We made it.
A guy called Brutal? Yep. I would say that We can find here. Actually, the name is Eagle and Key Largo. They weren't worried about access back in the day.
I would have to.
You should go over there and go.
Staircase. It's like a rock climbing.
Yeah.
I would just get sacrificed. Yeah. That was tourist. Like, I don't know much about Mayan culture at all, so
Nah.
I couldn't answer any of his questions or ask any questions.
Yeah, it was all new to me.
All I know is the rain god is called Jack.
Yep.
He's up there.
He's up the top there.
That guy must have been so hot. In summer, he must get so hot out there. I can't sweat, so the guy must have thought I was an idiot. I was just tipping all the water all over me. Every 5 minutes, I was tipping water on me to like mimic sweat. But yeah, he's probably like, what the fuck?
Yeah, why did you do that?
Why are you doing that? This is the restaurant we just stayed at. They have a traditional Mexican buffet. It seems like where all they bring all the tours. It's at the keynote. What body of water do I see? It's like where they sacrifice people in Mayan culture. And Megalodons. Have you seen the new Meg?
Yeah.
This is it in here. We just got home. That bus ride didn't seem as long as I expected.
Because we broke it up by going to that little town.
Yeah. We just got let into the elite.
There wasn't anywhere else.
There's nowhere else than this.
And then
And Eddie, bartender, saw us wandering around and was like, come with me. Where are you from? And I said, Australia. And he said, kangaroo. And I said, what? And he said, kangaroo. And I said, oh, kangaroo. Very lucky to be here. This is it.
Yep.
This is the life. That water is so blue out there.